WeFi review. Is this bank worth your money? It scored 88 out of 100. It's a professional investor-focused review in August 2026. WeFi is not a bank, a crypto-powered neobank with no FSCS protection. Is it worth your money? It depends on which money you mean. Editorial score 88 out of 100. Product fit, not safety. What you actually get with WeFi. Digital account and card powered by blockchain technology. Banking style features through regulated third-party financial institutions. The ability to hold and spend crypto and fiat assets. WeFi does not hold your deposits on its own balance sheets. The real cost of using WeFi. There's a conversion cost. Fees may apply for crypto to fiat conversions. There's no fixed public fee schedule published. Withdrawal cost, final withdrawal amount shown before confirmation. No clear inactivity fee clause found. Always check the final quote before confirming. The trust and regulatory picture. User sentiment. Trustpilot, 1 star. WeFi, 4.5 stars out of 5. From 48 reviews. BaFin warns against unlicensed banking and crypto services in Germany. This was issued in February 26, updated in May 26. Who WeFi is for and who it isn't for. It's for experienced crypto users comfortable with risk, those seeking crypto native spending accounts, only with money you can afford to lose. It's not for savings, emergency funds, pension top-ups, anyone needing FSCS protection, £120,000 limit per eligible UK bank. Users expecting traditional bank safety nets. The €120,000 FSCS protection applies only to eligible UK authorised banks, building societies or credit unions. WeFi is a tool, not a safe. It's an interesting crypto-native financial product. Meaningful regulatory and withdrawal risks remain. Equitable only suitable for experienced crypto users with risk capital. Not suitable for protected earnings or essential funds. 88 out of 100 product fit score, not a safety rating. Thank you for watching. Have you used WeFi? Share your experiences in the comments below this video. Subscribe for more investor-focused crypto platform review. Presentation is for information only and not financial advice. Always research current terms, fees, and regulatory status before using financial platforms. Refer to trustpilot.com and BaFin and FSCS.